S14 SR20 DET. Sounds like it has a hydraulic lifter tick, which I just can't seem to sort out. I'll just start it up. Now, I've read up online that you need to bleed the hydraulic lifters. I've had them all out twice and I've bled them, and I've had no air bubbles come out of them. I've done it anyway, put them back in, start it up, it sounds exactly the same. It's got HKS 264 cams in it. I've removed the VBT sprocket and put adjustable pulleys on there and set it all up, dialed them all in. That's all perfect. I've used these cams on a previous engine that I built, which ended up with bottom end problems. And I had the exact same noise, exact same ticking, couldn't find out what it was, couldn't get to the bottom of it. And I've put them in this engine, built it up again, everything, all new bearings, everything. And I've got exact same noise and I just cannot get to the bottom of it. So I thought I'd just make a quick video, see if anybody could shed some light on what's going on. Cheers.